Wow guys, this is amazing. Turbine engines can now operate at 3300 degrees. The team at the University of Virginia has created these awesome coatings that allow turbine engines to get even hotter and increase their efficiency. What does this mean? Less fuel used, less pollution, and more savings. These rare earth oxide coatings protect the turbine blades even at high temperatures. And higher temperatures mean more power and benefits for the environment. This technology could revolutionize the energy and aviation industries. That means cleaner air and more money in your pocket. To learn more about this awesome discovery, make sure to like and subscribe.